Great to see you, Matt. Thank you. Yesterday's storms making for a gusty Halloween. Video from Newton shows a group of minions clearing a tree that had fallen in the road this morning. Cindy, this wind is going to stick around all day long.
Oh, yeah, the wind is actually ramping up right now, and it's going to be stronger this evening and tonight than it even is right now. So the wind is with us. These are the current wind gusts. We're gusting over 20 and 30 miles per hour. But overnight, we had winds strong enough to do the damage with those downpours coming through. You saw the trees there on the road. We had some wind gusts near and over 50 miles per hour. That wind overnight came with the downpours that were kind of roaring through. You can see those are well offshore right now. And now we're getting a westerly wind that is taking over, and that is going to continue to ramp up this afternoon. So in terms of the rainfall, widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain, but there were some higher totals, especially out in western Massachusetts, out toward the Berkshires, nearly 4 inches. Amherst picking up close to 3, but also on the Cape, we did have a couple of spots near and over 2 inches of rain. So some beneficial rain coming in. With this area of low pressure now to our north, we're getting that drier, cooler westerly wind on the backside. And so over the next 12 hours, you're going to notice that blustery feel with the gusty winds and temperatures slowly falling. The threat that we are dealing with is the wind. It is a wind advisory up until tomorrow morning with those strong winds into tonight. But gradually over the weekend, the wind is going to settle down and a lot of sunshine and dry weather coming for your weekend. So here's that wind advisory going into effect this afternoon through 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, with those winds potentially gusting to 50 miles per hour. That is strong enough to perhaps bring down a few more tree limbs and trees if they are vulnerable. But also, if you're going to be heading out trick-or-treating, I mean, it's going to be blowing everything around, so make sure the costumes are secure and those yard decorations are as well. You don't want them flying down the road here with these stronger winds. You can see them ramping up by 2 o'clock this afternoon. We're getting a few more gusts over 30, 40, close to 50 miles per hour. And I'll stop the clock around 8 o'clock tonight. A lot of folks going to be out trick-or-treating. And look at these winds. Again, they're not really settling down until we get into tomorrow. During the afternoon tomorrow, we're getting gusts 25 to 30 miles per hour. Certainly more manageable than what we have out there this evening. Temperatures, not bad, running in the 50s to near 60. But here's the thing, that westerly wind bringing in the cooler temperatures. So notice how the temperatures tick down. So by late in the day, we're pretty close to 50 degrees, and then we're settling back into the 40s this evening. So heading out to trick or treat with those falling temperatures and the gusty winds, certainly a blustery feel. You'll never really want to put the coat over the costume, so maybe layer up underneath if you can, because you'll be glad that you did. Tonight we do drop down into the lower 40s for overnight lows. Skies go partly cloudy, a lot of sunshine tomorrow. It is just still a little windy though, with our temperatures running in the low to mid 50s on Saturday. As the storm gets farther away on Sunday, the winds step down even more. So lighter winds on Sunday. It actually looks great for the Patriots game down at Gillette. Kickoff at 1 o'clock should be about 54 degrees. Temperatures holding in the low 50s through the second half of that game. But what you're going to notice is that you're probably going to be driving home in the dark, because this is the weekend that we turn the clocks back 1 hour with daylight saving time coming to an end. Look at that sunset on Sunday, 4:35 every year. It's always shocking, right? Pretty nice stretch through the weekend. Temperatures come up a little bit early next week. We're near 60 on Monday. Front comes through with some showers on Tuesday, and then look at the temperatures. They're settling back. There are indications that by the end of next week, we may not get out of the 40s. I guess we'll call that November.
Yeah.
Jessica.